Okay, Ray, I'm just going to run through the process. Just hopefully you don't see this video, otherwise there is a problem. But so I'm going to upload this image here, and here we go. So I'm uploading a new file. And just on the desktop I've got this image here, and I've kept it the same dimensions in the file name, but the actual size of it is 200%, just like the other one. So there we go, and upload. Okay, now I'm going to hit update like you said. Okay, so the preview still looks the same. So purge that, Cloudflare. Okay. Okay, now I'll refresh it, just give it a second, and staging 1, refresh. And it's still the same. What else can I do? No, I don't. The point is that I don't need to clear my cache. Okay, so refresh again. Just giving it a bit more time, maybe. Nope, still the same. So okay, so yeah, so the pixel dimensions has changed once again, but the image is still the same. Hasn't updated. And you can see these ones here. These two are both super sharp. That's what it should be like. If I go to the desktop, well, that's at 200%, but it looks a lot sharper when it's at, well, it's at 100%. When I shrink it down by half, it looks much sharper. So anyway, I'll send this to you, Ray. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully we can get there. Okay, cheers.